Charlie Brown's Crossover Tales, Episode 1, Duck in the Snowstorm. One morning, after passing some few of the characters, Duck, the Great Western Engine, was puffing back to his shed when suddenly he saw a huge block of snow that caused due to the snowstorm. Oh dear! I should take a shortcut. But Duck tried to get a shortcut, but when the snow got even thicker, then Duck was stuck in the snowstorm. Now he really needs help. Ronnie Yan, Adelaide, and Sid were enjoying some Paradise music when Charlie Brown came with some urgent news. Emergency! Emergency! Duck is stuck in the snowstorm over there. Adelaide couldn't believe her eyes. Duck was really stuck in a huge pile of snow. And now Duck really needs some help. Then Adelaide had an idea. I can rescue Duck. I may be younger, but I can rescue anyone who's in trouble. Ooh, are you sure about this, Adelaide? Don't worry, Ronnie Yan. The Changs never give up. Okay, Adelaide. Good luck. We'll keep you in charge to take care of Duck. Don't worry, I will. That when Adelaide set off, Charlie Brown just cheered. Woohoo! Go, Adelaide, go! Adelaide was moving some forward steps a bit far from the wind until she reached Duck not far enough. It wasn't late until Adelaide finally arrived to rescue Duck. And look, Snoopy and Scrambler were playing hockey. Hello, Duck. I'm here to rescue you. Duck wasn't able to talk. He was able to muff like this. It's good to see you, Adelaide. Don't worry, Duck. This snow drill will help you get away from the pile of snow. The snow drill was a bit noisy. Then the mountains over there began to rumble. But it wasn't late until Duck was finally free from the snow. Duck was so happy, he whistled as happier as he can. Oh, thank you, Adelaide. You really sure know how to take care of me. But Duck's whistle was too loud that the snow mountain began to rumble even more. Come on, Duck, let's get out of here before the mountains rumble. Ah! At last, the three characters were proud with Adelaide. Thank you so much for saving me, Adelaide. You really sure know how to take care of your own way. It was nothing really, Duck. Nothing really indeed. Yeah, but next time when you have a snowstorm, just whistle for help. You made me very proud, Adelaide. Thanks, sis. I couldn't have done it without myself. You were so right, Adelaide. So right indeed.